Gonna be very happy once this is all together. I need to make the top merge into this edge here. So I've screwed all these screws back in. It's all level again. That has got to be one of the biggest dust sessions I've ever made. Really gonna look like something good. That's all fiberglassed in with vinyl ester resin. It's got these stringers going this way. These are to stop it from shuttering that way. Now I've got to mount that into here, trim and grind this ring back, and then mount that into that while it's installed in that. And then glue that into that. Oh, that looks so nice. First try.